Happy summer! Today we are going to be doing DIY tie-dye. I am wearing a community camp tie-dye t-shirt today. I have many of those in my closet. I'm sure some of you do too. But we are going to be doing natural dyes today, not a kit that you buy from the store. So we have a couple of fruits and vegetables that we're going to be cutting up, and we are going to be using a stove, we're going to be using knives, and we're going to get a little messy. So make sure you have permission from an adult to do all of this information before you take any steps forward with this. So for our coloring, I have some red onions for the red color. Got a red cabbage. They said that would be best for a purple. Spinach is the best to get that green color. We have lemons for yellow and blueberries for blue. They also say that you can use black beans, make a really good blue coloration. We have some t-shirts and rubber bands. Let's go. Now we have all of our ingredients cut up or ripped apart. And we're going to put them in some boiling water and let them simmer for a good hour or two. The longer you simmer them, the more vibrant the color will be. We have 4 of our colors going. We still have the pink left to do. We're going to let these simmer and go design our t-shirts. These are some examples of some tie-dyes. As you can see, they're all the same spiral design. It's, I think, the most popular design, but we have 2 from Fortson, and then we have 1 from Rock Eagle and 1 from Tybee Island. The one I am wearing right now is from community camp. If you've ever been to one of our community camps, it's from 2017, and it's kind of an ombre or changes colors from top to bottom. Our first t-shirt we're going to do is the popular swirl one that you saw in those other t-shirts. So you can pick wherever you want your swirl to be. You can either be centered, which is what I'm going to do, or you can pick a corner or just a random place on a shirt. You are going to twist it in the middle and just continue twisting it all the way until your entire shirt is twisted all the way around, and then you're going to rubber band it. The idea behind tie-dye is wherever the creases are in the shirt is where the dye is not going to reach, hopefully. So you will have white streaks in it. So I like to wrap my shirts up really, really tight and use as many rubber bands as I possibly can. So we will do that. Okay, I'm going to show you 2 different ways to accordion the t-shirt to get stacked colors this way and stacked colors this way. So you're going to accordion the entire shirt, including the sleeves, and you put rubber band here and rubber band here, and you can get colors going that way. Or you can accordion the shirt from left to right and put rubber band here and here and get colors going up and down. With this shirt, we're going to do Sunburst, so you can just pick all over the shirt. It's basically going to look like a big ball at the end. You're just going to grab parts of it and rubber band. Okay, we have all of our colors. They have been steeping for about 2.5 to 3 hours. This is our red onion, so it's a little pink. This is our spinach, which turned green. This is supposed to be blue, or blueberries, but it didn't turn out very blue. Like I said earlier, you can use black beans and soak them overnight and use the juice for that. This was our red cabbage, which is a deep purple, and then these were our lemons. Our very first shirt, we are going to dunk the whole thing in the yellow. We're going to do an ombre yellow and pink. The longer you leave it in the solution, the deeper the color will be, but we're just going to go light. And I'm only going to dunk half of it in. I'm going to leave it in that section. And then our other one, we are going to do the blue and the purple. As you can see, it's not very blue. these two, this is one of my circular spiral shirts, and then this one I just did whatever I wanted to do. We're gonna do just multiple colors on all of them. So it's a pretty green. With our last two, this is another spiral, and then this is another just randomly done. And I'm going to let this one soak in the purple for a really long time. Like I said, you're going to get messy. And then this one is one of our Fortson t-shirts, and I'm going to dunk it in the yellow and the green. I might dunk it a couple of times. So we're going to let our t-shirts sit overnight. We are going to rinse them, but very gently because we did use natural ingredients, so they are not going to be as permanent as a DIY kit from your craft store would be. So we're just going to do a quick rinse, but we're going to let some of them sit overnight in the dye and see if that has any difference or makes a difference in what they look like when they're a finished product. So we're going to let them sit, and we're going to post our results on Monday, so look out for that. If you guys have any DIY tie-dye that you have done, please share those pictures with us. We would love to see them. We hope that you have a great rest of your summer. Bye!